me, let's go. Let's do what we lost. Do all the things that we've been dreaming of.
Hi, welcome to Firefighters Therapy. This is our introductory video for our YouTube channel, Firefighters Therapy. My name is Stan, and I've been a firefighter for 25 years and retired. This is my wife, Tracy.
And I'm a nurse, been since 2004. I work with children from the NICU all the way to adults in the ICU.
So, if you're watching this on May 2nd, today is my last day at work. I'm supposed to I report in to duty, and I get off at noon basically. We have a luncheon. Thanks to the chief. Appreciate it very much, chief. I do get to go home after my luncheon. Retirement day, baby.
For you.
Been a long time. Yeah, for me.
I get to be the sugar mama.
Well, all right. After all that retirement stuff, maybe we should have a toast.
Toast would be great.
All right. This is my special brew. It's called Sunset Therapy. Been working on it for a little bit. Since I've been toiling for months and months. Actually, since March 4th. So this is our brew. We saved it. A little pop. A little bit for you.
We like to make dark brews, couple reasons. Dark brews are hard. Good dark brews are hard to find. You can always get a light brew everywhere, but dark brews are a whole lot nicer and flavorful. Plus, with a dark brew, you don't need to filter it.
Yeah. All right. Congratulations, my dear.
Congratulations.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good one.
I think retirement's going to be good. All right. So, some might ask, why do we call it Firefighters Therapy? Firefighting and nursing, pre-hospital, can be kind of a stressful job.
Kinda.
Just things don't happen right. Yeah. So, you need ways to reduce that stress. And so, for us, for several years, scuba diving was our thing. We went scuba diving a lot, did a lot of teaching, kind of took me out of the moment, out of the firefighting. And it did its job, and it still does today. But we also found sailing to even be better for us.
It did take me a few years to convince him to sail, though, because he wanted to do the motorboat thing of going fast, fast, fast. I convinced him to slow down.
That's true. So that's where the Firefighters Therapy comes in. We've looked at it as sailing as our therapy for many years now. It used to just be a couple months out of the year, and then it continued and continued. We had more and more, until finally we realized it's just going to become our lifestyle. So once it just seemed like a great fit, and once we decided to retire, and what are we going to do after we retire? Let's go sailing, and it's going to be our therapy to continue on. So we like to think of each one of these videos is going to be a therapy session. So welcome to our first therapy session. And any of you that join along, subscribe, become Patreon members, whatever, you're going to be our therapist to follow along with us. Our plans, our future plans, are basically just to be traveling first couple years, hiding from the hurricanes, maybe the northeast coast, and then when it's not hurricane season, be down in the Bahamas. So up and down the east coast, maybe down to the end of the Keys one year, but probably the Bahamas most of the time. And then once we get tired of seeing the northeast coast, or maybe that draw just takes us a little bit, starts drawing us a little bit deeper, then we'll start heading south to hide from the hurricanes. And then we'll go farther into the Caribbean and not be in the Bahamas anymore. At some point, 4, 5, 6, who knows? We don't really know, nor do we even really care. At some point, though, we figure we'll probably be far enough south. We've already seen most of the Caribbean that we want to see, and we'll be looking at the Panama Canal and deciding, do we go through the Panama Canal, or do we go ahead and cross the Atlantic and go to the Mediterranean? My vote right now is to go through the Panama Canal, but
I would like to go to the Mediterranean up through Iceland.
I thought I was going to try and get through that real quick before she could notice I said that. Yeah, no. I don't like the cold. She doesn't like the cold.
But it'd be pretty.
It would be pretty in somebody else's boat or on a trip. Maybe a cruise. Could do a cruise. I'm sure we could do it some other way. We even took the heater out of our boat, so it's not ready for any kind of cold.
You can snuggle.
On a cruise ship, we can snuggle all we want. We're in a hotel. And,
Oh, we did forget, we do have a third crew member.
oh, we do have a third crew member.
Oreo the dog. She's a little lame right now, just had surgery.
Yeah, poor little girl, she just had a new hip put in.
So
I
have two titaniums on the
I have a
boat.
right hip that was replaced a couple years ago, so I have titanium. And now Oreo's got the left hip. So we're a team going through the airport, trust me.
Hey! No
She's-
Ricky.
She's still a little drugged, so if she looks like
Very
she's kind of
drugged.
out of it, she probably is.
Yep. Codeine is her friend. Okay, go lay down. There you go. Oh,
She's a shedder too.
we're gonna shave her. All right.
All right. Well, I think that's a wrap for this therapy session. We would like to remind you to, if you like this video, heck, even if you don't like it, go ahead and like it anyways. Subscribe, like. If you want to, in the future, hopefully you'll become a Patreon member, but at least like the video and you'll get our updates on our future therapy sessions.
Just follow us.
Just follow us along.
Yeah.
That's it.
See you later.
Out.